Hi everyone, we are back, the Reverse Sweep podcast, episode number 8. And finally, Test cricket is back. Big break in the middle where IPL auction hua and all that madness. But now we are back to the Test cricket series level at 1-1. India won, England won. And we are going to Ahmedabad, 110,000 capacity, one of the world's largest stadiums. And it's a pink ball test. So let's first begin with what the captains have said and what is it looking like. So Joe Root actually says कि होगा spin, but they are expecting the ball to turn. But if the conditions are in fact seem friendly, then it should be great for us. That's what Joe Root has said going into this game. Virat Kohli has said that they are trying to focus on their own strengths and they're saying that spin weakness है opposition का शायद, but we are trying to work on our strengths more than going there. And Kohli also sort of indicated if the conditions are going to be seamer friendly, then we are going to have our bowlers and everyone is going to rise up to that as well. So, so interesting thing कि दोनों ही captain mentioned it. I'm sure they were asked about it, but the fact that they were asked about it definitely means कि कुछ तो है. Even the pitch the photographs that we saw had a lot of grass, which obviously will be cut, but still there is some uh, what do you say, some chatter about the conditions being seeming. So playing 11 usually England gives it away day before, but they haven't. Joe Root has not really said what is going to happen. To be honest, only thing that we know is Bairstow is back, so he will surely come in. Maybe at 3, I don't know. Crawley is fit again, but where does he play? Does he open? Does he play at 3? Again, uh, Root has given us really nothing there. And about the bowling, I'm sure Anderson is going to be back. Jofra is going to be back. Um, let's see who plays instead of obviously Moeen Ali has gone back, so either of Vokes or Best would play, but probably depending on the conditions. It's a pink ball test. Traditionally, the ball is known to move more, so that'll be an interesting part as well. इसके बाद इंडिया का भी देख लेते हैं तो इंडिया के लिए इट्स अ वेरी सेटल्ड यूनिट ऑब्वियसली लाइक ऑलवेज बट द क्वेश्चन probably is do you go with Kuldeep who did really well in the first pink ball test that we in the pink ball test in the first class cricket, and then Umesh is back, so he's back in the squad replacing Shardul, and Jasprit Bumrah probably is going to come back and probably surely going to play this game. So what we're going to do in this episode is we're going to go with expected changes very quickly. Then we're going to focus on key players and then take everyone's opinion कि क्या होने वाला है, कौन जीतने वाला है. तो we'll start with Darshil. Darshil is here. We'll start with him. क्या लग रहा है Darshil? Changes for India first?
Um, so I think, in my opinion, I am pretty happy in terms of where we are, right?
Yeah.
So primarily, the main toss-up was always going to be between the fifth bowling, middle of the bowling option, right? Who do we want to go for a spinner? We want to go for a pacer, right? So that's going to be the challenge. I personally feel that Washington Sundar above the others, given the fact that
Interesting.
Rohit Sharma has said it's going to be a turning wicket.
Hmm.
Yeah. So see, the point is we have to now weigh the balances of the team in terms of if it's a pink ball and if it swings prodigiously, are we covering? Are we having enough batsmen or not? And
Yeah.
secondly, if it's a turning track, then are we having enough spinners or not? So I think probably going with Ishant and Bumrah.
Hmm.
If Shami was fit, Shami definitely. I still don't think that. I mean, Shami is
Well, I don't
like
think he's
just
going to be
recovered. I
playing.
don't think we
I
should
don't think
rush
he's
him
going
back
to play.
straight away. Yeah,
Umesh is back though.
exactly. So I don't think we should rush him back. Huh?
Umesh is back.
I mean, who's his back?
Umesh, Umesh,
Umesh.
Umesh. Umesh,
Yeah,
yeah.
Umesh also. I think again, I am not a fan of rushing players back for high profile games. Like this is a crucial match for us, right?
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, we have done this in the past where we have got players back from injuries, and Yuvraj Singh is the most famous example. I mean, he had definitely 3 more years of cricket left in him if he
Hmm.
was allowed to go via the Ranji route, but we rushed him back, and then it kind of hampered him badly. So
Hmm.
I don't think Umesh should walk into the test side at this stage. Uh, Ishant, if at all we want to go for a third seamer, it has to be Siraj right now. Not because he's like exceptionally better than Umesh, but right now Siraj has been playing for a longer time. So I think that kind of match fitness. So Siraj over Umesh, that's one. If we are going for a third seamer, else I think Washington Sundar makes the cut over Kuldeep. I mean, I like Kuldeep, but if you're not going to use him, might as well as go for a bowler who's going to bowl the same amount of overs as Kuldeep and also give you batting stability. I mean,
Yeah.
on purely
Kuldeep,
cricketing
the
logic,
fourth
like
innings,
Kuldeep is
obviously a
definitely
big
a better
impact.
bowler, but yeah, he's not getting used, right? So rather have a
Yeah,
Sundar
true,
who's going to be used the same way and at least give batting power.
true. Pranav, what do you think?
Yeah, I was
Yeah,
going to say the same thing. Since Rohit is saying the pitch will turn, then the only option is that you play Washington Sundar for Kuldeep and Jasprit Bumrah comes back for Mohammad Siraj. That should be enough for regular bowlers with
hmm.
that is 2 spinners, 2 pacers, and Washington who can, maybe if needed, he can bowl a few overs to give somebody a rest. And of course, he adds more batting depth. And given that this pitch also will offer some help either with for the pacers or for the spinners, I think guy who can offer some better batting at number 7 will always be good because see, Akshar is still new in Test cricket and he still has not shown much, that he can play in the 5-day format. I mean, he's maybe decent enough to just come in and slog around, but
But would
I
you
would not
drop him
play.
after a fifer?
No. I would not drop him. I would
Hmm.
not want him to bat at number 7 just
Oh,
as yet.
okay. From a batting perspective.
So I will keep Akshar, Ashwin, Bumrah and Ishant as the bottom 4, and I would like Sundar to come in and be a
Understood.
shoring batsman in the number 7.
Got it.
Now,
Hmm.
of course, the whole biggest thing is that how is the pitch going to play?
Yeah.
I was actually listening to Michael Vaughan on Crickbuzz, and he was saying that he heard from the England camp that at night the ball was nipping around quite a bit. But what he also said was that could also be a bit of a great indicator because it depends which square you're playing on. Ahmedabad has got some 10
Hmm.
squares or so, so
Yeah,
maybe
yeah.
one of them had more grass, so it was nipping around. And as we saw, coming into the match, enough grass was put so that the pitch stays firm, and most of it has been cut off, and whatever bare minimum 3 millimeters or 6 millimeters has been kept, so the pitch is good for the first maybe couple of days. But it is going to turn. Indian pitch, given now we're reaching the summer, the pitch is going to break up a bit, but perhaps it will
Hmm.
be a good pitch for the first couple of days. And the ping ball test, historically, whatever I've seen, the starting 2 sessions are actually good for batting. It's the night session which will be crucial,
Yeah.
and that is where Anderson, especially with this SG ball, especially going around so much, will be useful. And in the only ping ball test match, 4 Bangladeshi players got hit, especially by Ishan Sharma. So maybe Chopra Archer will be, someone we have to look out for. So I
Yeah.
expect England to bring back Archer and Anderson if they're fully fit. And I think at the most only Jack Leach will play. I think they'll go for a 4 pace attack. I think they're going to make a slight mistake and go for it because I don't think 4 pacers are going to be needed on this pitch. But I think they might be tempted by the conditions
Who's
to
the
go
fourth
for that.
pacer? Who's
Vokes
the
or
fourth
Ben
Stokes.
pacer?
Stokes will be the
Fourth would
fourth
be
guy,
Stokes. Vokes.
and I think
Huh,
only Jack
if
Leach
you're
will play.
Stokes, I mean, Stokes is not the fourth pacer technically. Stokes is
What I
a
meant was they'll
batsman in
go
his
with,
own right. But
yeah.
yeah, I
I
thought you
think
were
they'll go with
probably,
the, yeah.
I thought you meant Ollie Stone as well.
No. I think if Archer is fit, then he'll play. If Archer is still unfit, I guess maybe Ollie Stone, Broad, and Anderson will play. I think they'll go for a 3-1.
Even
Uh,
why not Vokes for Archer? Like for like, हो जाएगा ना? For
no.
Vokes, I mean, batting.
Pace.
Vokes does not have that pace and that
Hmm.
that ability of Archer, and he's not got a very good record away from England. So
Yeah.
I don't think
Correct.
they'll go for him.
Yeah,
So
I think
I think,
Anderson Archer is back surely because
yeah.
I saw they were practicing Anderson, Broad, Archer. I'm pretty sure Archer is going to be back, and
And Broad didn't bowl much in the first test, so he's not
yeah.
burnt out either. And 1 week's gap, or more than a week since he got over early on day 4. So
Hmm.
I
Broad
expect them
hardly
to go
bowled
with,
in the second test. I mean, he
Yeah.
was useless
right,
in that test match, to
exactly.
be fair.
So I think England will go with their best bowling attack to try and get a result because if they can win another test in the series, this is the only you know, place where they can, given that we are still new to pink ball as well. So, and India, as I said, I would like this only two changes: Washington Sundar and Jasprit Bumrah in. I hope they don't take a third pacer, because that'll again we can make the batting shorter, and we don't need a third pacer really. I don't think it's going to be moving so much that we would need one, but Virat likes pacers, so we could see Umesh Yadav or maybe even
Yeah.
Siraj, Bumrah, and Ishant playing. So that's what I think.
Yeah, we saw
Crucial
that in the
test.
IPL auction.
Right.
Virat likes pacers.
Yeah. Chalo, Sabik, what do you think?
Yeah, so Rohit did say that the pitch would turn, but what I am hearing is from the Indian camp, from multiple outlets, is that we are going with three pacers.
Hmm.
So we are
That's what
going
I
with,
have been also
yeah.
reading and all.
So we are going with Ishant, Bumrah, and one of Umesh or Siraj.
Hmm.
So that means the other two spinners are obviously Ashwin and Akshar, and
Yeah.
rest of the team remains unchanged. So maybe just one change, three pacers we are playing with. When it
Yeah.
comes to England, I'm more interested to see who they pick. Will it be Bairstow or Crawley? Because Crawley is actually been very permanent for England. He's underrated and he has been a mainstay in their batting lineup.
Hmm.
I don't think the openers will be altered. Sibley, Burns. Now number three should be Bairstow, but maybe they'll spring a surprise and play Crawley there. And in terms of the bowling attack, I think it's going to be Anderson, Archer, Leach, Base, and Stokes. I don't think they're
Two
going with three
spinners.
pacers. Yeah,
Hmm.
Leach and Base. So that's what
Yeah,
I feel.
I actually think Crawley might open the innings instead of Burns. I mean, they might think that let's
That's
have
one
four
possibility.
righties at this. Yeah, let's have four. It's four righties, right? Good coming at four. That will be
Has
four
Hmm.
righties, and
has
maybe
Crawley
that
ever
might.
opened in tests though?
He has, he has.
He opened in
He
Sri
opened in
Lanka
Sri
when
Lanka, and
Burns was out on paternity leave.
Okay, okay.
Maybe we should
and
just, I think,
so
for
That's
nets or just for net practice, you should get Unadkat back from the RR camp
that
just to annoy Archer and Jofra and Stokes.
right.
that's a
Just uski
possibility, or
shakal
maybe
dekh
they
ke
can
they are
even
like
open with.
already dreading.
I think the
Uh,
four righties is because is a good idea in sense that they might want to upset Ashwin's rhythm a bit, because of course Ashwin's record is great against both righty and lefty, but of course he prefers the left-hander. So
yeah,
maybe
of course.
they might, well, and given England are going with all these scientific approach and they're going so much into data that X amount of chances there if you play against Ashwin, so many batsmen or whatever. I think they might do that. They're a bit
Hmm.
unpredictable with what they're trying, but let's see. I think it would be well worth the risk just in one game, because maybe Ashwin may not come into play until the third or fourth innings. So they might as well just give it a go. What's there to lose? If it doesn't work, then anyway the series is gone for them effectively. But
Uh,
if it works, then who knows? Maybe they can even salvage a draw. You never know.
yeah,
They
this
might
is
even
actually
open
the
with
game.
Bairstow actually.
Yeah, I
Bairstow and
think this
Sibley.
is the game for England because pink ball test. I mean, they would be if 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 you would ask them, okay, what is that one test? I mean, Chennai was a bonus for sure. I think this is one test. Ishwar, just to close this, do you see Broad and Anderson playing together? Because that might
Yes,
be a combination.
I actually saw that in the start of our Chennai test itself, that for Ahmedabad, both Broad and Anderson will be playing. Because as you said, this is England's best chance on this tour.
Hmm.
So for them to, like, with even the World Test Championship ahead, I think it is a very important match for England, and I think their best bowling attack is going to play. And I don't believe Dom Bess will be playing tomorrow. I feel only Jack Leach will be the sole spinner from England, and Akshar and Ashwin will make up India's bowling spin attack. Along with, I feel Umesh Yadav will come back immediately, and there is a reason for that because of the factor of dew. Since you are playing at night, there's a lot of dew, especially in a place like Ahmedabad. So that is why I don't think India is going to prefer more than
Two spinners.
two spinners, and that too, especially not someone like a Sundar or Kuldeep, because as you said, if they play Zach Crawley, then Sundar would be like, he would just be an option to just save runs. Whereas with someone like an Umesh Yadav and with the pink ball, who has already shown that, he can make it swing and make it top, I feel we have a better option there. But now
If
there
you're
is a
playing Umesh
discussion
Yadav,
that
then you
what
definitely
about
need a bowler who is going to save runs because Umesh will definitely leak runs. So,
Yeah.
no. What
He's
I
been
mean is
good in
Umesh
He
tests
has a
for
good
us in
record in
India.
India. He has a
Yeah.
good record in India. He
India
is
has
a
been
steady
good.
bowler.
amazing. Actually,
So
he's very good in India. So now coming to the
I like Umesh as a bowler definitely. I'm not, and this is like, but is a tendency to bowl four great balls and two horrible balls. And he's a
That
great
is
bowler.
there.
He has
That
a
is
lot
there
of
for
potential.
sure.
But
my issue is that he's not played
चार
since
अच्छे
he
bowler
got
and he'll give two balls
is
on
that
the
he
bats.
got injured and he's not bowled since. So would it be right to just get him back into a 5-day game when
yeah,
he has
that's where
not played
experience
much?
counts, right?
That's my worry, because even experience or not, fitness is the same. Human body is same for everyone. If he has not played at all so far, it's a bit of a risk. So if they're going for three pacers, I think you stick with Siraj. Siraj has shown that he's good enough right now, and I
This
would
is
not want to
where
take a risk where
yeah.
we'll again
And
have
I like
somebody
and I
injured,
like Siraj's
and
insurance as a batsman down the order. I mean, it's fun to watch, if nothing
This
else.
is
yeah,
where I miss Hardik Pandya, man. Actually, he would have been perfect for a situation like
He
that.
but
is
But
in the
yeah,
squad.
he's
He is
in
in
the
the squad.
squad.
We are not playing him.
Hardik's
He's
home
not
ground
yet
as
yeah,
well.
he was not bowling. Right? If he bowled, he would have been a
He's not yet there at test level. Let's not rush somebody back. Let him start bowling slowly in the shorter formats, because his back is a very precious for the Indian team. Such an injury
World T20.
happens again. Such an
especially with World Cup.
such an injury
Mm.
happens again. His career either is over or it'll be short. Like it'll go the Shane Bond way, which we cannot afford. So I would be carefully monitoring him rather than putting him into the test match right now.
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. Bumrah and Yadav win, and obviously England is going to go with Broad and Anderson for sure.
Yeah, they will definitely do that, I think, this test.
Could be. One more thing, just before we move on to our next
Hashtag
segment.
Bronson.
Bronson chair.
So one more thing before we move on. So Ben Stokes said the English bowlers are licking their lips,
They'll be
seeing the
licking their lips and
movement,
Ashwin will pick up the wickets.
seeing all the movement around. So it's a very interesting entry. The break, the fact that we lost the first test, the fact that there's so much sort of uncertainty about how the wicket is going to behave. It's going to be a very
I guess he's
intriguing.
just using positive reinforcement, because I'm pretty sure India is not stupid enough to give them a pitch which would actually help their seamers. Because the last time the idea was to put demons in their batsmen's mind, and we have succeeded. So I think it'll be it may not be turning as much, but certainly there will be in a turn so that the English batsmen again start thinking it's Chennai and crumble. So
I think the pink SG ball that is what
Who said this? Ben Stokes said this.
Stokes said that the
I mean,
bowlers
Motera has been historically a venue for England to crumble. The last time in the 2012 series, they were literally whitewashed by Pujara and Vijay alone. Pujara and Vijay alone defeated them.
Right.
बाकी बैटिंग की भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ी. So I think they will have enough demons already of
Motera though.
Yeah, and we should not take Stokes seriously anyway. He's just happy that a better all-rounder is not playing.
I'm getting reminded of CEO at Gaba, mate. I'm getting reminded of that vibes I'm getting from that comment. Our bowlers will be licking their lips.
I guess it may not. I don't think it's that level, because I think they've just taken the lines. They've taken line from his entire. I think they've just taken a line from his entire comment and taken it a bit out of context. I mean, I guess what he's saying is just a normal thing. I mean, pink ball and not seeing something that is going to the top. I think that's will be a bit of a relief for them. But anyway, I still think India are the heavy favorites. As Vaughan was saying, the juggernaut just began in the last game, and it's going to be very difficult for them to stop it. India's pace bowling is, in my opinion, better than England's as well. So, especially in these conditions, we know how to use the wicket, because the English bowlers, except Archer, Broad and Anderson, they're kind of bowlers who kiss the surface. They don't, skid the ball like say Bumrah or Shami, and also compared to say the Australian bowlers, they don't hit the deck that hard. So their game is more of pitching the ball up and gliding it through the surface more like. So hence again India has the advantage there.
Pranav, is New York Times covering this?
बादल important है, मतलब बादल important है England bowlers के लिए.
अगर अहमदाबाद में बादल हुए फरवरी में, तो फिर हमको we should all.
It is just written for England's
victory. Pranav Sarvik asked something.
Yeah, is there any journalist from the New York Times at the stadium? Historic stadium.
I don't.
I am in Ahmedabad, by the way. I'm not going to see the stadium though. I'm here for some personal work, but I am in Ahmedabad, so I can get live weather updates if nothing else.
By the way, I wanted
I
to ask
haven't.
something.
Huh.
Like we have watched this Syed Mushtaq Ali finals right there. That wicket was all like spinning, right? A lot of
Right,
turn to.
right.
There were slow
Very
wickets.
slow
Yeah,
pitch.
yeah,
Slow
yeah.
wickets. Not many runs
We'll
were
get
very
Very
that in the
slow.
spinning,
fourth
spinning,
test.
heavy spinning track.
Fourth test, we'll get
Sid-
something like that.
Yeah, Siddharth
Definitely.
got 4 wickets or something. The Tamil Nadu
Manimar
spinner.
I think
Yeah, M. Siddharth.
the
M.
the,
Siddharth,
the
correct.
fact that we left a
XKKR.
green top on for England when they came here, I think was definitely that scam 2021 music वो बजना
Yeah.
चाहिए ऐसे
Bounce
एकदम
ticket
proper
will be a
उनको
heavy
ऐसे दिखाया
turnout.
है green top कल सुबह आएंगे तो full एकदम brown होगा
Yeah,
एकदम
actually, a guy, Vidupal Singh, posted the pics. The goats have already been released today, and yeah, there's
Yep.
barely any grass left unless
So-
you take a magnifying glass and look at it. So,
Did they release Root on the pitch? Was Root released onto the pitch? My God, interesting.
It's a root type pitch though. I'm scared that Root might again score big runs. I hope
No,
Toss will be
we get them
important.
against
If
England.
England
I
bat
think
first,
for
it'll be
me,
interesting.
Gill is going to score a double.
I think
Malay is
Sarbik
waiting
is
for
right.
Root to
Sarbik
win.
is right. I wanted to just
He's already
add on
scored a
Sarbik's
double
point.
on that man. What to wait now?
Yeah, but Root's only weakness, as we have discussed before, is a bit of bounce. So maybe the pink ball with a bit of bounce, Ishant, Bumrah and all can exploit that, because on a slow pitches, he's extremely good. He's grown up playing in swinging conditions where you learn to play the ball late. So those conditions don't trouble him
He
really.
got out to a bouncer of Akshar Patel in the second test, second innings.
Well, that was
Chalo.
unplayable.
We'll move on to the next segment, last 10-15 minutes. Key players. So we'll give each one of you one player, and myself included, who you think is going to be the difference maker in this match. So I mean, for me, obviously, the toss is very important here. I guess. So that sort of dictates a lot of things. But personally, I think Jofra Archer might have a game changing sort of or series changing sort of test match. I would like. I mean, for me, I think Jofra with his pace and the kind of carry that he's probably going to get with a pink ball and everything. I have a feeling that Jofra Archer might actually trouble us enough for England to actually have a very good chance at winning. So he's my key player. Let's start with Sabik. Sabik, what do you think? Who's that one key player who you feel is going to?
Yeah, Archer is a scary prospect to face. Even I agree, but like I said, Root really scares me now. Root, it's a Root type of pitch. For England, he's the key player, and for us, I would think it's Bumrah. Because if Bumrah gets Root early, we win. If Root bats longer, we lose. So that's the test match for me, Root versus Bumrah.
Nice. Pranav?
So I agree. I was going to say Archer myself. Since you mentioned it, I'll say Rohit, because Rohit likes playing on pitches where the ball comes on nicely. And I think Archer versus Rohit will also be a very important contest. The first two sessions, like I said, should be good for batting. So if Rohit can see off Archer and can score runs, it'll be much easier for us to negate the night session. Because again, like we said, very little experience playing in that night session. So Rohit will be key. I think of all the players, it'll be him that will be very important. So Rohit versus Archer is for me the main thing in this test match.
The last
Just a
test match
question.
this lineup played in the pink ball test, we got 36 all out.
Just a question: Has
England
played
were
pink
50,
ball before?
England were 58 all out in New Zealand when they last played, and it
They
could
were
have been even
actually
30. Yeah, it could have been 30 all out if not for some tail wagging, and they lost that by an innings.
Yeah, so
they played a pink ball test before, right, England?
Yeah, they won one. They
They
won one. They won one, and they lost to West Indies and to Australia, I think.
Pink ball test.
Or is it to New Zealand and Australia they've lost?
yeah,
New Zealand and
Australia.
Australia.
Yeah,
But they won against West Indies. Oh,
Yeah,
I thought they lost. I think they lost.
I think
that
Shai
as well.
Hope got 100 right against
Yeah,
them in the day-night
they
test.
won
Nee,
that
West
test
Indies
match.
win was a normal. When the match at West Indies one was not a pink ball test.
Okay, it was not a pink ball test.
When they chased down, it was not pink ball.
So against good opposition in pink ball test, England have been hammered quite convincingly so far. So it's not like they have an advantage over us. I think it's a 50-50 game as such. If you look at
it's the same, right? Even ham.
Yeah,
Very good opposition in pink ball test.
nice.
Australia are unbeatable in pink ball test so far. So as
So my answer, I think for me the defining player and the defining contest will be Anderson versus
Pujara. I
Pujara.
was
Pink ball Anderson is the master, and Pujara's hometown, homeboy. It's his last time he literally batted England out of the game single-handedly at Motera. That time he was just engaged. Now he's in a much more. Now he's probably one of the legends of the game. He's been recently bought by Chennai Super Kings. That's a positive sign. Just for
That's
fun,
a
I think
negative sign
he'll
actually.
he
not,
told
not
me
a
that he
good,
can take
very
games.
negative
He'll
sign.
bat for 2-3 days. नहीं मतलब वो उसको अब देखना है ना, धोनी को दिखाना है कि मैं एंड तक गेम लेके जाता हूँ, तो उसको अब 2-3 दिन बैटिंग करना पड़ेगा उसके लिए. So I think but yeah, I think Anderson versus Pujara will be a fascinating contest. I think Rohit, the other about the Rohit versus Archer thing, I think Rohit is gonna win that one because I think Motera is a huge ground. I think Rohit will relish hitting sixes over here. I think it's a huge ground. It's one of the biggest, right? So for me,
Yeah, in
pink
cricket
ball
history so
test,
far, it is the biggest.
India needs to do well. Yeah, so I mean, for India to do well in conditions which are ripe for collapse, Pujara has to do well. So I think I'll stick by that.
Absolutely.
Pujara versus Anderson is going to be the contest because I don't think Archer will trouble Pujara a lot. Archer likes to hit the deck. He'll try to go for his bouncers and everything. Pujara is going to evade that. Anderson is the one who's going to make him play. So
And
whoever
Pujara
wins that
will
contest,
just take it on the body like he always does. Who am
so
I
yeah,
getting?
So interesting
yeah,
that we
that
have.
one. So I think it's Anderson
Yeah.
and Pujara for me. Yeah, that should define the contest.
Yeah, so interesting that we've had four people talk about key players, and not one of them has said the name of Virat Kohli yet.
Virat Kohli, exactly. I was about to say his name.
So that's why I knew you were going to say it. So that's why I plugged it in before his name came. Ishwar, who do you think is going to be the key player?
As you said, Kohli versus Archer is the key battle for me in this test match. And I feel it's been so long since you've seen the real King Kohli.
We
So
felt
I
that
feel
last time also by second test, mein everyone was like, "Ab to due hai, ab to aayega hi." But it's been
आएगा ही बट almost आया भी था
400 days
चलो
maybe
ठीक है
almost.
हाँ but ठीक है चलो इस बार I feel like he's very good man. I don't think he'll miss out again
Yeah,
in
he's
America.
not bad. Obviously, he's very good.
Yeah.
But it's, I mean, see the highs.
It's a
were
while
so
since
much.
we saw him make a nice 100 and set the tone for a match. I mean, last two times he batted very well, but
He
like
scored
in the
50.
first test,
The game was
match
over.
was gone. Second
In
test,
both cases, the
match
game was gone.
was with us.
Yeah, for either side.
A nice,
He's become
Ah.
Guru
Yeah.
2.0.
right? Like he made, like he made that 248 against South Africa, and just batted South Africa out. We need something like
Yeah.
that from him.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's been
I
a
think he
very,
will
very
get it,
long time.
especially
It's been a
since
very
it's
long
being
time, actually.
I think we need
actually
Malay to wish
this
well
one I
for
think
Kohli.
is
Actually,
Yeah, we
he's
need
always been
that.
critical, and that's why he can play these days.
No, I
No,
feel
no, I
I
obviously
I
want
actually
him to.
feel Virat is going to get 100 this match. I
Let's
don't know in
hope
which
so.
innings, but he will
I see.
get his
I felt that last time too. He's been due a lot of time. Obviously, my best wishes with him. I just am concerned, to be honest, with the highs he has shown us of like getting 100 almost at will and everything. But
He's
Abhi,
got
it's
550 in the last 10 innings, and we are saying he's not in form.
yeah, but because that's what I'm saying.
Wait,
See,
horrible
he's-
in New Zealand. 4 games, 38 runs in 4 innings. I mean, that was for Kohli, that's really, really, really bad.
Yeah, and even with both the first innings were duds. So second
Yeah,
inning,
I
the
mean
game
that
was
Moeen
decided.
Ali wicket was
Actually, that
proper.
is where I liked it. Like how he came back in Chennai the
Ah,
second inning, how
Obviously,
he
but
modified his technique.
yeah, he didn't
So
play a cover
that
drive at all
actually
of
tells you that he's
Moeen and everything. Yeah,
yeah.
true.
That
But
was actually my symbol that he's very hungry. So if
he's
a player
hungry,
like
but
him,
people are just finding ways to get him out. And one more
Right.
thing is one thing about being out of form is that you are finding ways of getting out. Kabhi idhar kuch chala ja raha, udhar kuch chala ja raha. This is most of his dismissals are actually been the bowlers getting the better out of him on a consistent basis. Like Dombes, one didn't turn enough, got the edge, caught Moeen Ali.
Moeen Ali,
Traditional
so I think
good.
it was his galti, right? He went like
No,
he was
but
too
No, but he
what?
enticed him and then
Yeah,
moved.
it was a
It's
classic off spinner
classical off
dismissal,
spinner. Yeah,
bowling through the
exactly,
gate.
exactly. I mean,
A bad
Harbhajan and all
shot,
used
but
to.
still.
So that is one concern that I have. Chalo, we'll close to wrapping this up. We'll take predictions. Who's going to win and who's going to be the I think we've already taken key players. So who's going to win and who's going to be the man of the match? That's what we're going to do. We'll start with Ishwar.
I think India will win and Virat will be the man of the match.
Fair enough.
India to win, and man of the match will be Umesh Yadav.
Interesting. Umesh Yadav, if he watches, if you're watching this, brother, go Umesh.
भाई पहले
Go for
11
Pranav
में
at
आता
least.
है उमेश.
Hopefully he plays. I think he will. If from all the news we're getting, 3 pacers, I think he might just get in.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, India to win, hopefully, fingers crossed, and Puji as man of the match, obviously.
Sadhik,
India and Bumrah.
India and Bumrah. I'll go with England and Jofra.
Aren't you like
4-1.
Devil's
Okay,
advocate.
what about
yeah,
Ashwin?
one person should go to England so that at least
No, I actually genuinely feel England have a chance. I mean,
they do have a chance.
we
Indeed.
discussed this before the second test also. It almost felt like England didn't really were thinking too much about that second test. They had thought, ki, chalo, we'll let this be. We'll focus everything on the team selection. Everything was just focused on let's get to Ahmedabad, let's
Right.
get to the pink ball test, and let's do our best there. And
I mean,
So
when
they're
we
in-
are
they're in a
transitioning
great-
into a new stadium at Motera, it's a transitioning into a new format, and England historically have done well in India when India has been transitioning. So,
Yeah, I mean, England are in an ideal position given
lot
that
of history has been.
Yeah. England would actually be happy that they're going into the pink ball test being 1-1 because
Yeah,
if
it's
it
a
had been
bonus.
2-0, it would have been over for them. The only issue is that, like I said, with the way their batsmen got exposed so badly against the turning ball, Ashwin again would be licking his lips. I mean, even if the ball is not turning a huge amount, I'm pretty sure
Ashwin
the
doesn't
moment he
need
comes
it
to
to
bowl,
turn a huge
he
amount.
doesn't
Like now
need
he
it.
does
Of
a
course,
lot
he
by
doesn't need
himself.
it. I think
Just
he's
plays
done the
on
damage.
mind of the batsman with the angles and stuff around like that.
But only thing is, how will they bowl? Like if he's going to bowl after, say, around 8 o'clock at night, there's going to be some dew. That's the only concern we have because we know once the ball gets wet, spinners, I mean, they're
It will
just
just
out of the
sit on.
game. So that's the only issue we have to have a look. And that's why this 2:30 start is a bit of a dicey thing. I think the fact that they're letting the dew come into play could be a factor. Let's see. But I'm sure if this test match doesn't go the way we want it, 2:30 starts are never going to happen again. They're going to play matches at 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock only, I guess. Then after
And
that,
we can only imagine the atmosphere for our next podcast if we just don't manage to qualify for the finals.
It will be nice.
yeah, we're
Good for
missing
views.
Siddharth T for that.
Siddharth.
He'll
Also,
come.
we really
He'll
need
Partially,
to win.
definitely he'll come.
We really need to win. Like I can
Yeah.
bear this vibe, the talks around the PSL. Like the shameless mediocrity all over the internet.
Bhai, Siddharth P
And
will
people
admit now.
glorifying the PSL. We
Not
want
making
the
world test champions. India is
Mhm.
undoubtedly the best test team in the world, and to not take advantage of a series at home would be really a shame. So yeah, all pressure on India, but we handle pressure pretty well. We're doing it for a long time. So
Talking about PSL, James Vince has played an extraordinary innings today. And,
86, right?
Yeah, 86. And one of my favorite batsmen, Kamran Akmal is batting right now. So please tune in.
He's my
Butterfingers
captain.
Akmal.
But
Butterfingers
That's
Akmal.
why I said batsman, not.
Does his brother still play? Umar?
I think he's
No,
banned or
no.
something.
Well, he
He's
plays,
been
but
for
not
years.
on the field. He plays in some other field actually.
He's into
bad.
modeling, I think, putting lipstick on and all that stuff.
Well,
And Shahid Afridi is still bowling, still
and
getting
he's still
out
out
on
for a
ducks.
duck.
Duck,
First ball.
yes, Shahid Afridi ducks.
World
And
is
Shahid
really-
Afridi.
He got it on a duck first match.
Yeah,
Yeah, first ball
ball.
duck. First ball came
that
topped up.
taxes and Afridi going first ball. That's a
Yeah.
permanent. I mean, even when he's 50 years old, he might actually be 50 officially. Who knows?
Yeah.
He's still going to get out first ball doing something stupid and brain dead.
I think the most brain dead I've seen Afridi just before we wrap this was 2007 World Cup final.
Oh my.
Irfan Pathan had just got a wicket.
Yeah.
Pakistan, I mean, Imran Nazir had done really well. They were in a decent position. This guy comes, first ball, taps it up. Unreal.
I mean, that was the first time. The second was when against Sri Lanka. I think it was 2012. 176 for 6 or so. They needed just barely 10 runs and he holed out to corner and then Sri Lanka. Thisara Perera, I think, took a hat trick or he took 4 wickets and they lost the match. I mean, that's vintage Afridi.
Oh, yeah. They basically snatched defeat from the jaws of victory. Yeah. Lost by a run or something like that.
Yeah. Like Afridi may have 50 man of the match awards for Pakistan, but he also has about 50 or 60 for the opposition as well. If you look at it.
The fact
I
that
think we
discussing
need to do an
PSL
episode on Shahid Afridi, dude.
is a new high for them.
Sarvik doesn't like the fact we're not discussing PSL. We are actually making fun of.
Have you looked at the Rawalpindi ground actually?
Is it a
It's
ground?
like
It's a
yeah,
park.
seriously, it's like where cows graze or something. Only the Karachi ground looks good.
Is that
Karachi
has
is
BJP
okay.
taken over that ground?
Who knows?
Oh, Shahid Afridi gets hit for a 6 first ball. Some things are really 2021. Nature is healing.
All his fans will remember is his 6 against Ravichandran Ashwin in Asia Cup
Yeah.
final. That is
That
all
was,
they
that
will.
was,
That
That's
That
what
was his.
I mean.
That was his 1 in 50 chances where he actually hit the jackpot.
That's what
So-
Pakistan have anyway got in this entire, after dominating us in the 90s, this entire last 20 years, 21 years, they've really done
Asia Cup,
nothing.
and you keep forgetting Fakhar Zaman's 2013 championship.
Oh, yeah,
2015.
2017.
2017, sorry.
Yeah, those are the two
Bumrah's-
teams that they've probably
Bumrah's
done.
Bumrah's
Three.
no ball.
Three actually. Sarfaraz won a under 19 World Cup
Pandya,
against us also. Those are probably
Right,
the
right.
3 times that they've got the better of us. Otherwise, so we have
Beaten
literally
them in-
belted them, man. World Cup mein to they
बहुत
lost.
बुरा रहा
They
है.
lose before they actually walk on the pitch every time.
Yeah, I think it's 12-0 ICC T20 and 50 overs.
12-0.
And in
but
Champions
Champions
Trophy,
Trophy, we
is
lost
the-
2.
we are just
Champions
one ahead, I
Trophy,
guess.
yeah, we're one behind actually. 3-2 Pakistan leads, and I think
Ah.
arrogance of Indian experts got the better of them because we kept saying that they're not good, and they
To
were
be
playing
fair,
with a
they were not
chip
good.
on their shoulder.
They
They
were
were,
good innings.
man.
But-
They
but you know,
To be fair,
Pakistan-
they were not good. Fakhar Zaman would have been out,
should
and
have
then
won.
he got
yeah,
a lucky.
but
Just-
historically,
Mohammad
Pakistan
Ali
always play well when they have a chip on their shoulder and when people least expect them to. And
True.
since they're so unpredictable, if they get everything right, they're actually difficult to beat. And unfortunately, they got everything right that day. So
Yeah, true.
That day,
Anyway,
their biggest
let's
positive
not
was
talk
Mohammad
about that
Ali.
day ever again. That's the biggest
Yes.
fluke in the
Yeah,
history of cricket.
True.
It was one of the best spells, man. Mohammad Amir with the new ball that day. Wow.
Yeah. It was great. First thing was Virat Kohli got dropped and then got out next ball.
Yeah.
It's just unreal. But anyway,
I'll be setting the tone for tomorrow.
Virat Kohli.
Yeah.
no, we have to end talking about some of our players. No, we can't end talking about them. Chalo, let's close this now. Chalo, great having you guys. Let's meet again probably after day 2 or something.
Right.
There is more things that have happened. Hopefully, this test match is competitive. Both the test matches haven't really been that competitive. First
True.
one, England batted us out really. Second one, India batted England out. So let's hope it's more competitive. Let's hope it lasts 4 or 5 days. And chalo, we'll see. Thanks for
See you
joining,
guys
guys.
then.
See you everyone. And
Thanks,
whoever
guys.
is watching
Like, hit
wherever,
subscribe, share.
YouTube
like,
पे,
subscribe,
Instagram पे,
share.
like, subscribe,
and
share,
share.
share in office groups, WhatsApp groups, जो भी cricket के साथ जिसके साथ आप cricket देखते हो, your dad and brothers and everyone. चलो, we'll see you next time, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, man.